What's up, FHS? I'm Anton.
And I'm Julian. Welcome back, and we're happy to be back after quarantine.
This week, we'll experience deer hunting with Jimmy and Mr. Gain. Then, we're going to take a look at how freshmen are adapting to their first year with coronavirus. And then, we're going to check out how Saber manufacturing is looking a lot like Santa's workshop.
We also have our first hidden saber of the season in today's show. Make sure you look out for that hidden saber. It'll be this hidden saber you see on your screen right now. And when you find that, make sure you email us at saberroar@franklinsabers.org. The first correct answer after 7:45 will win a Superfan Saber Roar t-shirt.
Most people's traditions in late November include family, friends, and giving thanks. But some Franklin residents have more than one tradition.
Deer hunting is an important fall tradition to many Wisconsin residents.
Hunting is a great opportunity to spend time with family and friends. You're in a remote area, so there's not that distraction from the hustle and bustle of the city. It's a great way to spend time in nature and relax and recharge and just chill out in the woods and get back to nature. Hunting does have some economic benefits too. I mean, Wisconsin, we spend over $500 million a year on all things associated with hunting. There's so many side stories that I think are neat, and that's one of the main reasons why hunting is enjoyable beyond just the deer hunting part of it. This year, I had a unique experience where I was standing on the forest floor just about a week ago, and I had a deer that was crossing a ravine and came over towards me, and I decided to pick up my phone and videotape that deer, and in about 3 minutes time that deer went from about 50 yards away from me to about 5 feet away from me, just curious as could be. And so that's just an example of one of the stories about deer hunting that I remember as much as harvesting a big buck or anything like that. So if you get a chance, get out there, get in the woods, try hunting if you want, or just enjoy nature in other ways. I highly recommend it.
Thank you, Mr. Gain. If you'd like to look in more into the deer hunting website, visit the Wisconsin DNR website. And for those non-hunters, just grab a camera and shoot nature.
This school year has been very different than any other, especially for our freshmen.
This year I've learned that you just have to put yourself out there and you have to be willing to go with the flow, whatever that may be, because you never know what opportunities may be presented to you. I feel the need to talk with other people. So like some of my friends and I have been just like FaceTiming each other every day, but it's definitely different without that interaction face-to-face with people.
You gotta be patient, you gotta be really patient, and you gotta work with what's going on. I stream on Twitch now. It's just, you gotta do stuff that you can at home.
Balancing life outside of school with school, still trying to have time to do other things besides just school sports and homework. There's always challenges, but I know I'll get through them, and it's been great so far.
Wow, this year's freshmen are developing many new skills, including time management, accountability, and being flexible that will help a lot with their high school career and beyond.
Our Saber manufacturing class is hard at work brightening up the community by selling festive reindeer artwork for the holidays.
We thought reindeer, who doesn't love reindeer?
Yeah, who doesn't love reindeer? These reindeer are made by our very own FHS students in the Saber manufacturing classes. These cute decorations are perfect for both indoors and outdoors to light up your holiday season. If you are interested in buying the reindeer, they are currently on sale in the office. Just ask for the order form. The small reindeer is $45 and the large reindeer is $60. The class is also selling them in packages. One large reindeer paired with a smaller reindeer is $100, while the family deal, which is new this year, includes 2 adult reindeer and 1 child for $150. Orders are being accepted up until winter break on December 22nd. And while they might not get them done by then, you will make it on the wait list that they will then continue during the spring semester.
To have some artwork that can go out in your yard and that relates to the time of the year and kind of the environment, we thought it would be the perfect thing to do.
What better way to get into the winter spirit than to decorate with the light up reindeer?
And if you missed the hidden saber, you can go ahead and go back on our YouTube channel at the Saber Roar. And when you find it, make sure you email us at thesaberroar@franklinsabers.org. Like I said, the first after 7:45 will win a Superfan t-shirt.
Today, we're going to bring back our weekly kindness quote to remind us to be kind to each other during these difficult times.
Unexpected kindness is the most powerful, least costly, and most underrated agent of human change. Do something kind for a friend, teacher, or family member today. They need it now more than ever.
Well, that's all the time we have for today. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at the Saber Roar to stay up to date with all things Saber Roar.